For thousands of years, humans have used the sky to measure time. The rising and setting of the sun define each day, the moon's phases track the passage of the months, and the changing of Earth's seasons are marked by either a solstice or equinox. As December approaches, Earth reaches the December solstice, a key point in its annual orbit. In the Northern Hemisphere, this marks the start of winter, when daylight duration is at its minimum and nighttime is at its longest. In the Southern Hemisphere, it marks the start of summer and the longest day of the year. In this video, we will explore what the December solstice is, why it happens, and how both the sky above us and life on Earth respond to the seasonal changes. The word solstice comes from the Latin term meaning sun stand still. Around this time of year, the sun's daily path across the sky reaches its most extreme position. For several days, the locations where the sun rises and sets along the horizon change very little before slowly reversing direction. That's why the December solstice produces the shortest day and longest night of the year for the Northern Hemisphere. However, in the Southern Hemisphere, the sun follows its highest and longest daily path, creating the longest day and shortest night. In both cases, the solstice marks a seasonal boundary defined by Earth's tilt and the changing geometry between the Earth and the sun. Like all seasonal changes, the solstice occurs because of the Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun. The Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees on its axis. As the Earth travels around the sun, that tilt causes different regions of the planet to receive sunlight at different angles throughout the year. During the December solstice, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. The sun's rays strike the surface at a lower angle, spreading energy over a larger area and delivering less heat. This results in shorter days and colder temperatures. At the same time, the Southern Hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, receiving more direct sunlight and longer days. These changes in sunlight affect the temperature and, in turn, influence biological systems across the Earth. At the December solstice, changes in day length influence biological activity across the planet. In the Northern Hemisphere, decreasing daylight reduces photosynthesis, leading many plants to go into dormancy and lowering overall biological activity. Then, in the Southern Hemisphere, increasing daylight supports higher rates of photosynthesis, active plant growth, and increased animal activity. Across the planet, living systems adjust to their energy use, their growth, and behavior in response to changing sunlight. As the December solstice arrives, the sky shifts along with the seasons. For those in the north that experience less light, it provides more opportunities to see other kinds of light, like starlight, and it's often worth braving the cold to see it. In the Northern Hemisphere, shorter days mean longer nights, creating more time to observe starlight. With darkness arriving earlier, familiar constellations rise sooner in the evening. Orion becomes prominent with its bright stars and distinctive belt stars serving as a reference point for locating all the nearby constellations, such as Taurus and Gemini. Many of the brightest stars visible from Earth dominate the sky at this time, along with some well-known celestial objects like the Pleiades star cluster, the Hyades cluster, and the Orion Nebula. Over the next few months, this region of the sky features a high concentration of bright stars and easily observed celestial objects. As the December solstice approaches, it marks a seasonal change by everyone on our planet. So drop a line in the comments below to let me know what the December solstice is like in your area of the world. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.